Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a change happening if you're using an old Windows operating system, Windows 7 and Windows 8 particularly. So the PCs running these versions of Windows, of course, have Media Player as a media player content software, and so multimedia mostly, as we call. Now, what's happening is that on Windows 7 and Windows 8, if you are using Media Player as your main player, and that the video and audio that you are either listening or watching is DRM created, meaning there's a digital rights management on it, it will stop working at some point as Microsoft is deprecating DRM on older machines. So Media Player will be unable to play anything that has digital right management after deprecation. So, of course, it might not impact that many people because Media Player has never really been the major software people use. Most people on Windows use something else. So if you're using another player, you're probably going to be okay. But if you are using Media Player on an older system, well, that will stop working for DRM content. It is interesting Microsoft takes the time to do that. I guess maybe because there are fees or there's something that has to do with it that is better off, but or they just want to annoy users to move on. I don't know. It's not a lot of systems, but 3%, according to StatCounter, 3% for Windows 7 and 8. Which means that, on over 1 billion PCs, it's still millions of computers. So that is still a good amount. So that means probably you'll have to just use a different multimedia player on Windows 7 or 8 if you're still using these old machines for some reason. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.